Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This time I want to show you how to disable Windows updates. Yes, sometimes they can be annoying, sometimes they are very useful. My suggestion to you is to always try to update your PC from time to time, but if you want to disable them, here is how to do it. First of all, press the Windows and R button, then just write services.msc and press enter. Alternatively, you can right click on the tray bar, then open Task Manager, move over to Services, and then open Services window. Once you have the Services windows open, just move over to Windows. I'm just writing it so it goes faster to it, and then look for Windows Update. There it is. Windows Updates, currently it's running. It's a trigger start on my case. This means some apps can start it even if it's set to manually. Double click on it, then first of all stop. Click on stop to actually stop the service, and then set it to disabled. This way, and then apply. This way it is clear that Windows Updates will no longer run on my PC. In order to start it again, you would have to go over again to the same services window and then change this to manual, apply, and then click on start again so it's restarted. There you have it. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, drop a like and a comment below and I'll get back to you. Have fun.